What if I told you success isn't just about talent, hard work, or luck? There are invisible rules, rules that shape how people see you, trust you, and respond to you. Most people never learn these rules, and because of that, they stay overlooked. But today, you're going to learn them. In this video, we'll break down some of the most powerful ideas from the 48 Laws of Power in a practical, ethical, and easy-to-understand way. Now, this book often gets misunderstood. It's not about manipulating people. It's about understanding human behavior so you can navigate real-world situations more wisely. Whether it's your job, business, or relationships, these insights can help you avoid mistakes and make better decisions. Let's get into it. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Have you ever tried to impress someone above you and it backfired? Maybe a boss, a teacher, or a senior. Here's the truth. People in positions of authority want to feel respected and valued. If you constantly try to prove you're smarter than them, it can create discomfort, even if you're right. This doesn't mean you should hide your skills. It means you should present them wisely. Support others. Give credit where it's due. Let your results speak over time. Example: instead of saying, "That idea won't work," you could say, "That's a great idea. What if we also try this approach?" Same intelligence, better delivery. When you make others feel important, you increase your own influence. Law 2. Say less than necessary. Most people talk too much. They over-explain, overshare, and sometimes weaken their own message. But confident people, they are clear, direct, and intentional with their words. When you say less, you avoid unnecessary mistakes. You sound more confident. People listen more carefully. Think about it. When someone speaks calmly and briefly, we naturally pay more attention. Example: instead of giving a long explanation, deliver your point in one or two strong sentences. Silence isn't empty, it's powerful. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Let's be clear, this isn't about being dishonest. It's about being strategic. If you reveal every plan too early, people may misunderstand you, doubt you, or even try to stop you. That's why it's often smarter to focus on action first and explanation later. Work quietly, stay focused, share results when they're ready. Example: instead of announcing your goals to everyone, build momentum first, because once results show, people take you seriously. Move with clarity, not noise. Law 4. Guard your reputation. Your reputation is one of your most valuable assets. It shapes how people see you before you even speak, and once damaged, it's very hard to rebuild. That's why consistency matters. Be reliable, stay professional, avoid unnecessary drama. In today's world, even small actions, especially online, can affect your image. So think long-term. Example: reacting emotionally in public situations might feel good in the moment, but it can hurt your credibility later. A strong reputation builds trust, and trust creates opportunity. Law 5. Think before you react. We all face moments of pressure. Someone says something rude. A situation feels unfair. Emotions rise. But powerful people don't react instantly. They pause, because reacting emotionally can lead to decisions you later regret. Take a breath. Think clearly. Respond, don't react. This doesn't mean staying silent forever. It means choosing your response wisely. Example: instead of replying immediately to criticism, take time to understand it, then respond calmly. Control your reactions, and you control the outcome. So, here's what you learned. Respect others' position and communicate wisely. Speak with clarity. Less is often more. Stay focused and don't reveal everything too soon. Protect your reputation at all costs. Think before you react. Now ask yourself, are you reacting to life or responding with awareness? Comment below. Which law stood out to you the most? And if you want more powerful, practical lessons like this, subscribe and start building a smarter, stronger mindset.